everyone! Come celebrate Chinese New Year with us on campus!
I'm Kah, a senior student from the School of Pharmaceutical Sciences.
And I'm Adel, a junior student from the School of Social Sciences.
Chinese New Year, also known as the Spring Festival, is one of China's most important holidays where families get together and celebrate. So Tsinghua organized this activity for all the students who were still on campus.
When we got to the venue, we scanned our student cards to get a gift bag and vouchers for all the activities, so let's check it out. Our first activity was writing couplets. Couplets are traditional Chinese poetic decorations written on red paper with black or gold ink. They are commonly displayed on doorways, and the content typically conveys blessings, good fortune, and hopes for prosperity in the coming year.
Next, we stopped by the photo booth where we captured some great memories. Then, we explored the art of traditional Chinese paper cutting as students created intricate designs symbolizing luck and happiness. We then headed over to the ring toss game where students tested their skills and had a lot of fun trying to win all sorts of exciting prizes.
Of course, no Chinese New Year celebration is complete without dumplings. The chefs prepared the variety of fillings and kindly demonstrated how to wrap them. And then, each student had a chance to try wrap it themselves. The process of making dumplings together truly felt like a family gathering.
There was a wide variety of foods to try, including traditional Chinese dishes and snacks. From savory to sweet, there was something for everyone to enjoy. This celebration was filled with laughter, music, and joy, creating a warm and unforgettable atmosphere.
The must-try winter snack is tanhuo. It's made with hawthorn berries coated with a hardened layer of sugar syrup. Nowadays, it's made with different fruits such as grapes, strawberries, tangerines, and so on.
Good!
And let's unwrap our gift bag.
Calendar.
Thank you for joining us today to celebrate Chinese New Year at Tsinghua University. We wish everyone health, happiness, and success in the year of the snake.
新年快乐!